how to get GPT to give longer, more detailed answers. So to get longer, more detailed answers from ChatGPT, what you can do is open the ChatGPT app on a device, then tap the menu in the top left corner, then tap settings at the bottom. Then go to personalization under customize chat section, then go to custom instructions. Now type rules like always provide long form, highly detailed, comprehensive answers with deep explanations and examples unless I ask for a short summary. Then tap the check mark and then tap save in the top right corner. Now the next thing what you can do is, instead of generic questions, type things like write a detailed 1000-word explanation about and mention about the topic. Then prompt the model with a think this through step by step, give me an outline first and then fully expand each section. Now if the text cuts off mid-sentence due to output limits, just reply with continue or proceed with the next part to get the next block of text. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.